Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about this Kylie Jenner birthday edition palette. This one is for her in honor of her 21st birthday, and when she launched this and showed the swatches of this eyeshadow palette, I was like, I cannot sit on this. I have to run, not walk to get this palette. I decided to purchase 2 palettes so I could give one away to you guys. So I am super excited to be doing another giveaway on my channel. So if you guys are interested in entering this giveaway, if you want this palette for yourself, then please, please, please do not forget to go down the description box and sign up, enter to win this palette. Yeah, I'll have all the details down below. I'm not gonna say all the details in the video. Number 1, because I'm not sure what they are yet. Number 2, they're gonna be down in the description box. So tell your friends, your family, whoever to enter this giveaway. I'm really excited to be doing another giveaway on my channel, and especially with this palette. This was something I was like, next time I do a giveaway, I'm gonna be super, super excited about this launch, because I don't like giving away stuff just because, like, I like giving away stuff because I'm like really excited about it. I'm like, oh, I think somebody would really love this. So, oh my God, I don't know how long I've had lipstick on my teeth, so I apologize. That's embarrassing, but it happens to everyone. I forgot to do the thing where you're like, some random piece of paper, it could have fallen on the floor, but whatever. I'm gonna just briefly show you guys the palette and everything. I'm sure you guys have heard about it on Instagram. If you wanna see more swatches and stuff like that, just head to the Kylie Cosmetics, God, seriously? Instagram account. I'm not gonna do swatches of every single shade. If you guys do want a video of me doing that, just let me know down below and I can do that. But this video, I'm just doing a first impressions review tutorial like I always do with new products. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. 21st birthday. I can't believe she's only 21, like, it's kind of crazy. And then it says sipping pretty. It's a little messy because I obviously just used it, but it does come with a very nice high quality mirror, and it has 21 eyeshadows, which is pretty awesome. It says the names of all the eyeshadows on the back, which I love because I love having a reference for names for eyeshadows. That's one thing I don't love about Morphe. I think Morphe might have changed that on some palettes, but most of my Morphe palettes, I don't think there's names on them. You're doing a tutorial or whatever, if you're talking to your friends saying, oh my God, yeah, tequila tangerine blended so amazing on the crease, you know, whatever, you know. It retails for $65, I believe. So if you guys did want to buy the palette, on the website, I believe you could just buy the palette, and it's probably, I think it's free shipping over 40 or something. So yeah, if you guys want to see the look that I achieved, blendability, fallout, those sort of things, then just stay tuned and watch this video. Please do yourself a favor and enter my giveaway. All the details and guidelines are down below. Check that out. So if you guys are interested in hearing more about this palette and seeing the look that I came up with, then just keep watching. So I have my arms exposed, which I don't do a lot because I'm kind of insecure about my arms. Anyway, something that helps me with my insecurity with my arms is using some sort of a body glow to make them look more luminous and beautiful. Today I'm gonna be using the COPACABANA Bronze Glow Oil. I love using this stuff, especially in the summer. So I'm gonna start off by putting this on. This one I did not purchase. I did get this through KYLIE, so thank you so much to Sol de Janeiro. In the summer, it's really nice to be able to use these sort of products to, you know, make your skin look nice. If you're wearing a dress, whatever. I wear sleeveless tops sometimes, camis, whatever it might be. Very luxurious. One of my favorite things about Sol de Janeiro is the smell, the scent. That's what it looks like when I rub it in. So yeah, I really like the sheen that it gives my arms, and it just kind of makes them look a little bit glowy. You can see that. The one thing that I don't love about this product is the packaging. I kind of wish it was like a pump or something like that, just because, I don't know, it's just kind of, I don't like to like dump things out like that. So I kind of wish, I mean, I love the way that it looks with the cap on and everything. I think that's super cute, but I don't love the fact that it has this little, like, I'm just not really sure what that's all about, like just kind of like the lid on it. But I do really like the packaging, like with the lid on. I just wish it wasn't something that you had to like kind of dump out. I wish it had like a pump or a squeeze or something like that, just so it's easier to use. No transfer. It says that it's not supposed to transfer, so that's really good. I didn't realize that because I'm not very great about reading directions. Tinted, transfer resistant, shimmer for body and face. Oh, I didn't realize you could use it on your face. I wonder how I'd use it on my face now that I think of it. Anyways, thank you so much to KYLIE and Sol de Janeiro for letting me test this out, because this has been a huge hot topic here this summer. I saw Karen, I Love Sarahi, talk about this, and I was like, I need it. Oh, and I don't know if I told you guys, I got a new tattoo. It says Chosen. It's in my mom's handwriting, and it's still healing, so it might be a little bit crusty. I don't know, I've been putting vitamin E oil on it. The time has come for me to be doing a look with this Kylie Jenner birthday palette. As you guys know, I did buy 2 Kylie palettes, one for me and one for you guys. I'll be giving away one of these palettes because I haven't done a giveaway in a while, and I was like, I really want to do a giveaway, so I'm really excited to be giving one of these away. I know a lot of people feel like indifferent about Kylie. They have their opinions, they don't like it, they love it, whatever. I really have enjoyed her eyeshadows. I've really liked her eyeshadow palettes, and I know that there has been controversy over her lipstick, and I wasn't a huge fan of the every single launch. Some launches I'm like, I don't really. This launch, I saw the eyeshadow palette and I was like, I really love this palette, and I know I really like the quality of her shadows, so I decided to buy it. You get all of these 21 shadows for $65 and a mirror, which apparently it's really hard to get mirrors. Ooh, and this is a very nice quality mirror, so I love that. It's kind of a pricey palette, like $65, but I was like, I want it, and this is an exciting launch, so I'm gonna get another one to give away. The colors are beautiful. There's so many beautiful neutrals, but then there's these pops of color, and I'm really drawn to this shade right here. So I'm probably gonna do a look with it. I love that shade right there, and that one is called, it's kind of like turned around, you flip it, and then it's gonna be like that bottom. Poor Decisions, which these names are gonna crack me up. I haven't looked at all of them. B-Day Beach, Pregame, Lit, Tequila Tangerine. You can do like a mauve look with this. You can do warm looks. You can do really bright colorful. You can do a cool smoky eye. So many different looks you can do with this palette. So I'm just gonna shut up and jump right in. And I haven't even like swatched any of these colors or anything. And I know that you guys have seen all the swatches, so I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just gonna go in. I've already primed my eyelid, and I might swatch, you know, some of the ones that I'm actually using. That's kind of like how I do this, but I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see my eyes, and I'm gonna start playing around. I'm going to start off by using the first shade, which is Vanilla on Vanilla. Not really sure what that's all about, but just using this flat shader brush, and not so bad. I always like to go in with a bone colored shadow, which I'm so glad that they did a bone colored shadow in this palette, because I love me a bone colored shadow to set my eye look. And then going in with the transition, I love the very middle shade for transition. And if I was to do like a mauve sort of look, I love the pink right here, but I'm gonna go in with this shade in the very center, and that's the Tequila Tangerine shade. Ooh, that is pigmented. Super pigmented, and that's honestly way different than I thought it was gonna look. I thought it was gonna be more like peachy looking. All of my brushes are clean. I just washed them, so this is true to color right here. Look how beautiful. This one is really calling my name. Moscow Mule. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this Moscow Mule shade right here. I'm gonna actually go in with that and over the Tangerine, because I'm like, I wanna go a different route with this. I wanna do more of a mauve sort of look. I'm feeling that. So I'm just gonna go over Tangerine with Moscow Mule. Then this shade is really, really talking to me. I really love this one right here, which that's just one swatch. And that is Check ID. It's this beautiful pinkish purple mauve sort of shade. It's like a pinkish, and I'm going to just take that on my Morphe M433. That one has a little bit more fallout than these other shades do. Yeah, that one has quite a bit of fallout. And I'm gonna pack that on the outer V and bring it onto the lid. That is just such a unique shade. I love it so much. So pretty. These blend really nice. I've always been impressed with the Kylie shadows. Like, I can't remember what else I have, but I know I have the like cranberry. I could do so many different things right now. The shade is just calling my name, and I feel like I have to use it. And this is the, what is this called? Not Hungover, Poor Decisions. And I'm gonna take that on a blending brush. I'm gonna use the Sigma E30 and pack that on my outer V. Ooh, gosh, this is so pretty. I love these hues. Like these colors are so pretty. Super pigmented. Like, usually what I'll do is I'll like put my brush and I'll use whatever has come out, like whatever the fallout is. I don't even need to dip my brush back in. I'll just use that to clean up the mess and not to be wasting all of that shadow that's come out, if that makes sense. As you can see, there's quite a bit of fallout right here, and I didn't have time to like do my eyes first. So I'm just gonna dust that away and hopefully it doesn't like smear everywhere because I bake. These shades are very unique to anything I have. And I think that the tangerine actually looks really good with these mauves. Like, kind of just gives it this nice variation. All right, so what I wanna do is take a flat shader brush. I like to use the MAC 242, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, 21 plus, and just pack that right there. And I might wet the shadow too. Try this side with my brush, and then I'm gonna go on the other side with my finger and see what the difference is. Whoa, I just got that shadow all over me. Yeah, I definitely have to use it wet because it goes all over my eye. Ignore my nail, please. That is just not cute. I'm gonna just start doing SNS at home. Okay, so they both look about the same, but I think I'm gonna need to use it wet because it's not really showing up a whole lot. It shows up a little bit, but not a ton. Yes, much better. Okay, I think I'm gonna mix these two for my lower lash line, which is gonna be Check ID and Jungle Juice. All right, and then just blend that out. And I'm gonna take Martini Mama right here and use that as a brow bone highlight. Just a tiny bit. I don't like to do a whole lot. Okay, and then pop it in the inner corner. I haven't been doing inner corner highlight a whole lot, but why not? All right, so that is it for these shadows. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna go and do the rest of my eyes and I'll come back for a final look. Okay guys, that finishes up this video, sort of first impressions tutorial review. You guys know how I am when I get a new product. I always like to dig in and just show you guys kind of like what I think about everything right off the bat. So yeah, that finishes up everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the little bell by my name, and also please stay tuned for the giveaway details. Like, please check the description box for the giveaway if you guys are interested in winning this palette for yourself. I am so excited to be giving this away and doing another giveaway for you guys. It's the least that I can do for all the love and support that you guys show me on my channel, on the daily, every time I post a video and stuff like that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.